Tired of guessing your Wati bill? Let's unlock the secrets to Wati's conversation-based pricing calculator so you can budget like a pro. First, head over to the Wati website. You can find it easily by searching Watio in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the pricing tab in the main navigation menu. It's typically located near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now, scroll down the pricing page. Keep an eye out for a section specifically labeled something like Pricing Calculator, Cost Estimator, or Calculate Your Price. The exact wording might vary slightly. Okay, you found it. This is where the magic happens. The calculator will have a few key input fields. This is where you can tailor your selections to understand the pricing on your account based on your usage. Go ahead and fill in the necessary details. This usually involves estimating the number of monthly active users you expect to have, the approximate number of messages you anticipate sending, and any other features or add-ins you plan to use. Be as accurate as possible for a more precise estimate. Once you've entered all the information, click that Calculate button. The calculator will then display an estimated cost based on your inputs. Remember, this is just an estimate, but it gives you a really good idea of what to expect. And there you have it. Now you can confidently plan your Wati usage and avoid any billing surprises.